how to enable or disable double-click side button to open Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable or disable the double-click side button to open Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. So let's get started. First, open up your settings. After you open your settings, scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you'll see something like Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. Now mine just says Wallet. Now before I show you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get back into it. Just open it up. After you open it up, you should see something like this. Now here you will see an option that says double click side button. Now here you can toggle this button on to enable the feature, or you can just toggle this off if you don't want it. So this is basically it guys. This is how you do it and it's really simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye, take care.